Here is today's problem. X plus y equals x times y, which also equals x divided by y. We want to find the values of x and y. Let's start with the first two parts. X plus y equals x times y. We subtract x times y from both sides to get x minus x times y plus y equals 0. We factor out x from the first two terms, giving x times the quantity 1 minus y plus y equals 0. Subtracting y from both sides gives x times 1 minus y equals negative y. We divide by 1 minus y to get x equals negative y over 1 minus y. Multiplying the numerator and denominator by negative 1 gives x equals y over y minus 1. Now we substitute this expression for x into the second and third parts of the equation. X times y equals x divided by y. On the left, we have y over y minus 1 times y. On the right, we have y over y minus 1 divided by y. On the left side, multiplying by y gives y squared over y minus 1. On the right side, dividing by y is the same as multiplying the denominator by y, which gives y over the quantity y times y minus 1. The y in the numerator and the y in the denominator cancel, leaving 1 over y minus 1. Since y is a denominator in the original problem, y cannot be 0. Here, y minus 1 is in the denominator, so y cannot be 1. We multiply both sides by y minus 1 to get y squared equals 1. Taking the square root gives y equals 1 or y equals negative 1. Since y cannot be 1, we are left with y equals negative 1. We substitute negative 1 for y into our expression x equals y over y minus 1. This gives negative 1 over negative 1 minus 1, which is negative 1 over negative 2, or positive 1/2. The solution is x equals 1/2 and y equals negative 1. We verify this by plugging the values into the original equation. For x plus y, we have 1/2 plus negative 1, which is 1/2 minus 2/2, equaling negative 1/2. For x times y, 1/2 times negative 1 is negative 1/2. For x divided by y, 1/2 divided by negative 1 is negative 1/2. All three parts equal negative 1/2. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.